Hi everyone, this is my end take because I couldn't help but cry. Nay, promise me you won't cry. You cannot afford to be ugly on your wedding day, okay? Well, I am very jealous to everyone there because you are able to witness my sister's wedding live while we are back here in the Philippines. Nevertheless, I have been fortunate enough to have spent half a lifetime with my sister. Don't think that it's all good time between us. I still remember back on her 18th birthday, my message was, I wish for more fights so we could get even closer. There were many fights, and yes, we got even closer. I must admit that I have underestimated my sister. She used to be mommy's little girl. She used to drag my mom during her job interviews. And take note, she's 22 years old back then. So when she finally decided to work abroad, it caught us by surprise. She forgot about her fears. She fought back her tears. She did it for us. May is never selfish. What she has, she shares with us. When we cry, she cries too. I couldn't ask for more than what she has been as a sister and friend. And so I am glad. I am very glad that Jim has finally found her. She deserves to be happy and nothing less. F. Manalo Choir, F. Manalo, our locale here, we have prepared a song number in our own language for me and Jin. It's an old Filipino song entitled Gaano Ko Ikaw Kamahal, or in English, This is How Much I Love You. The message of the song is you must show your loved one how much you love him because life is short. And that is the same message I have for the couple, for Jim and May. Before we watch the presentation, let me just wish for May and Jim's years be blessed, and may there be little Jim and little May running around soon, making them complete and happy. Again, let God be the center of your relationship. This is for you.